This one I'm going to start on the left-hand side. That side's much more complicated. We have two different binomials in there. So we can use our sum and difference identities twice. So I'm going to actually just kind of color these, use some color coding here. So I'll use blue for the first one, the brown for the second one, just so I can kind of show my whiteboard work, and I'll use the plus in the middle there. So the blue function gives me sine of x times cosine of pi over 4. Keep the sign, fill up the function. And then the brown piece gives me sine of x cosine of pi over 4. Keep the sign, so this time it's a minus. Sandwich those cosines in the middle, and we get this. And then we can go through and see that's cosine of pi over 4 is radical 2 over 2. Sine of x is still a variable, so I can't do anything with that just yet. And then I have cosine of x. Sine of pi over 4 gives me radical 2 over 2. Sine of x, cosine of radical 4 over 4 gives me radical 2 over 2. Minus cosine of x, sine of pi over 4 gives me radical 2 over 2. So lots of radical 2 over 2 is starting to look a lot the same. So here I have a positive cosine x times radical 2 over 2 and a negative cosine x radical 2 over 2. So those immediately cancel out. And I'm left with 2. This and this are both identical, so I can combine like terms and get 2 of those. And then combining my simplify, I'm just going to I'm going to do a little commutative property there and switch the order. So I get 2 radical 2 over 2 times sine of x, which simplifies to those 2's cancel out, radical 2 times sine of x, which is the right-hand side.